The FlexiForce sensor is an ultra-thin force sensor. They're great for any application where you are trying to detect the relative change in force or applied load, rate of change in force, or contact and/or touch. FlexiForce sensors can also be used as a smart switch, which allows you to determine force thresholds to trigger an appropriate action. These sensors can be easily integrated into applications with tight space constraints. With its paper-thin construction and flexibility, they can measure forces between almost any two surfaces and are durable enough to stand up to most environments. FlexiForce has better force sensing properties, linearity, hysteresis, drift, and temperature sensitivity than any other thin film force sensor on the market today. Our sensors are constructed of 2 layers of substrate. This substrate is a polyester or polyamide film. On each layer, conductive silver is applied, followed by a layer of pressure-sensitive ink on the active sensing area. Adhesive is then used to laminate the 2 substrates together to form the sensor. The silver on top of the pressure-sensitive ink defines the active sensing area. Silver conductive traces extend from the sensing area to the connectors at the other end of the sensor. There are electrical and mechanical benefits of using FlexiForce sensors. From low power requirements to unobtrusive, lightweight force measurement, these sensors are great for products that will benefit from force sensing technology without compromising size or weight. When unloaded, the sensor's resistance is greater than about 2 megohms and changes to the low kiloohms when fully loaded. This large dynamic range allows for the design engineer to use simpler electronics that do not require a lot of filtering. The conductance, which is the inverse of resistance, is linear. The high resistance results in low power requirements, which makes the FlexiForce sensor great for small, portable devices that don't utilize much power. Strain gauges are also used to measure force. They are small in size, but can be costly to integrate electronically and mechanically. They typically require highly skilled, trained technicians and can be tedious to integrate. The form factor of FlexiForce force sensors makes them ideal mechanically for product integration. Not only are they thin, lightweight, and flexible, but can also be customized into various shapes and sizes. Mechanical benefits especially hold true over traditional force sensing technologies such as load cells, which are bulky and not ideal for product integration due to their size. While the products and applications that can benefit from this technology are only limited by the imagination of the design engineer, we've seen a lot of success in the categories of medical devices, control and diagnostic tools, robotics, sports and fitness, and consumer products. But in reality, their form factor, thin, lightweight, and flexible, as well as low power requirements, make them the ideal solution for any device that can benefit from force feedback. For more information on our FlexiForce sensors, visit www.techscan.com/FlexiForce.